DJI is back at it again, and it seems like they've got something big lined up for action camera fans. Just 3 months after launching the Osmo Action 5 Pro, we're already hearing about its possible successor. According to FCC filings, DJI is working on a new device with the model number AC006. And guess what? This might actually be the Osmo Action 6. The timing is surprising. DJI filed for FCC approval earlier this month, which is super quick considering the Osmo Action 5 Pro only came out in mid-September. But the FCC isn't the only source spilling the beans. Documents from SGS also mention the Osmo Action 6, confirming features like Bluetooth 5.1 and dual-band Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. Now, here's something interesting. The filings reveal 2 battery options, a 1770 mAh and a 1950 mAh version, both consistent with the battery capacities of previous DJI Osmo Action cameras. But does this hint at a possible Pro and non-Pro variant? Only time will tell. The bigger question, however, is whether DJI will introduce a 1-inch sensor in this model. If they do, it could be a major upgrade for low-light performance and overall image quality. Fans are definitely keeping their fingers crossed for that one. The part that might sting a little? If you just bought the Osmo Action 5 Pro for $349, this news could feel like a bit of a gut punch. DJI usually releases their action cameras between August and October, but this time, the Osmo Action 6 could drop early next year. That's a pretty tight window between releases. So, how are you feeling about this leak? Are you excited about what the Osmo Action 6 could bring? Or do you think it's too soon for another release? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more updates on the latest tech. Catch you in the next video.